Good morning, student. The topic of the today's video is consumer responsibility. In the previous video, we discussed about the rights of consumer. Okay, rights of consumer is about right to safety, right to choose, right to be informed, right to seek redressal, right to be heard, and right to be consumer education. But being government give them some rights, government also provide them some responsibility that should be taken with complete care by the consumer. A consumer should keep in mind the following responsibility while purchasing, using and consuming the goods and services. The first is be aware about various goods and services available in the market so that intelligent and wise choice can be made. Before making any buying, you have to identify the alternative uses, its substitution and the same category product, so that they must be familiar with the features, they must be familiar with the price, and they must be familiar with the discounting schemes as given by the company. Buy only standardized product. Standardized product, that means if we go for any electronic gadgets, must buy ISI mark product for their safety. For any food product, go for FPO mark, that is food product. Jewelry, in case of gold, silver and diamond jewelry, buy only hallmark products. Learn about the risk associated with the products and services, follow manufacturer instruction and use the product safety. First of all, read the instructions carefully, read label carefully so as to have information about prices, about the net weight, its manufacturing date, its expiry and how to use the product. Assert yourself that you ensure get a fair deal. Next is be honest in your dealings. Choose only from legal goods and services and discourage unscrupulous practices like black marketing and hoardings. Ask for cash memo, that means never buy product to save your tax, because sometimes when you buy product, the shopkeeper give you greed that if you buy the product without bill, he give you some discounts. जैसे अगर बिल से आप खरीदेंगे तो 2000 का है, बिना बिल के खरीदेंगे तो 1800 का है. They give you some greed, किसी ना किसी लालच में आपको फंसाना चाहता है. But if the product is falling something in performance, then you can't sue case against them because you don't have a valid cash memo. So to sue a case against the product and against the buyer and against the manufacturer and seller, you have to be have a valid cash memo. This would serve as a proof of the purchase made. File a complaint in an appropriate consumer forum in case of shortcoming in quality of goods purchased or services availed. Do not fail to take an action even when the amount involved is small. अगर आपका छोटा सा भी amount है but the product is not working regularly, then you can sue the case. This is your right, which is called right to seek redressal. The next is form consumer societies which would play an active part in educating the consumer education and safeguard their interest. You have to give the proper, if you have don't knowledge, complete knowledge about the consumer awareness, then you must go for those society which are working in educating the consumer and help in you in any kind. They also case sue against offender on behalf of you. Respect the environment and avoid waste, littering and contributing to pollution. Always use that product which are eco-friendly to the environment. A consumer awareness about this right and responsibility is just one of the ways in which the objective of consumer protection can be achieved. There are other ways in which the objective can be achieved. So, this is the topic of today. The rest of all we discuss in the next video Until you read that topic, bye bye.